How to fix Facebook ads in review. In this video I will share with you guys how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for Facebook. Open then Facebook like this and go to storage. Click on the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back and click on force stop and click also OK. And now go to this option appear on top, make sure that this option is allowed like this, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.